The skills requirement or standards for a pilot involves demonstrating proficiency in various practical aspects of flight planning and execution. Here's a breakdown of the specific skills that need to be demonstrated. Prepare, present, and explain a cross-country flight plan. The pilot must be able to create a comprehensive flight plan for a cross-country journey as assigned by the evaluator. This plan should include a detailed risk analysis taking into account real-time weather conditions up to the first fuel stop. The pilot should be capable of presenting this plan clearly and explaining the rationale behind the choices made in the plan, such as route selection, altitude, and considerations for weather and airspace. Apply information from aeronautical charts and publications. The pilot needs to efficiently use current aeronautical charts and other flight publications. This includes interpreting and applying information from chart supplements, formerly known as airport facility directories, which provide details about airports, navigational aids, services available, and other essential flight information. The pilot must also be aware of NOTAMs, which contain critical information about temporary changes, airport and runway closures, and other time-sensitive information that could affect the flight. Create a navigation plan and simulate filing a VFR flight plan. The pilot must demonstrate the ability to create a navigation plan. This involves plotting the course, determining checkpoints, estimating time en route, and considering factors like fuel consumption and altitude. Additionally, the pilot should be able to simulate the process of filing a VFR flight plan. This includes providing all the necessary information that would be required to file an actual flight plan, such as aircraft details, routes, estimated times, and emergency contact information. Recalculate fuel reserves based on a scenario. The pilot will be presented with a specific scenario by the evaluator, which requires recalculating fuel reserves. This skill is crucial as it involves adapting to changing conditions or requirements during a flight. The pilot must accurately calculate the amount of fuel required for the remainder of the journey, including reserves for contingencies like diversions, delays, or changes in wind conditions. In essence, these skills encompass the practical application of flight planning knowledge, the ability to adapt to changing circumstances, and the effective use of available resources and information to ensure a safe and efficient flight.